Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Lola. Thank you for visiting and watching my video today. So I have a project from my dear friends. They want to update their furniture color and finish for their guest bedroom. So of course it's a bedroom set. There's a headboard for the bed, and then one dresser and two nightstands. But I will split the video into two videos for this week and next week, because today I'm gonna work only for the two nightstands. So stay with me and let's do something today, guys. So this is these two nightstands I will work on today. They both all still in the good conditions, but before I work on it, of course I need to clean it first. Alright guys, I cleaned the piece already and I'm gonna start to paint. And the paint I'm using today is Rust-Oleum chalk paint. The color is H gray. So I sent them several color swatches already and they chose this one, which I like because I think gray is always classic. So now let's get on to the project. Okay guys, I turned the furniture bottoms up, upside down because it's easier for me to paint, and I give this bottoms part 3 coats of paint. Now I start to work on the top part, and I also give this 3 coats of paint, and also for the drawers. Okay guys, this all done right now. It's all dry and cured. Now I want to seal all the furniture that I work on today with the top coat. Hold on. I will use a product from Farmhouse, and the finish is semi-gloss. I think it will look good with this furniture. Okay guys, for the top coat, I use 2 coats for the bottom part and the side, but I use 3 coats for the top. Alright guys, that's it for the project today. I hope you enjoyed the before and after. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like and subscribe because it will help my channel to grow bigger. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching my video. And stay tuned for the next week video because it's still part of the bedroom set. So I'll see you guys again in my next project. Ta-da!